Hi, a very good afternoon to all of you. So, welcome to my channel Live Every Moment with Proud. So, today I'm going to talk about the one thing which is very beneficial, especially for the women. And we, most of the time, we almost forget to take that thing and we suffer from many health diseases. So, let's talk about that and take the initiative to take that thing in our life regularly so that we can shine every day. So, it's a amla. So it's a amla. Amla is a very good thing for our hormone balancing, our menstrual health. It supports PCOS and PCOD. It helps regulate the blood sugar spikes, which reduces insulin resistance. It erases the pain of menstrual pain. It balances our estrogen levels. It flushes out the toxins. And in this rainy season we are suffering from the hair fall. Everybody is facing a lot of hair fall, and we try to keep our hairs oily, and uses the different type of shampoos to keep them safe, but they are not, because we are not taking the amla, right? It is one of the most of the important herb that we are not taking, or somewhere we are forgetting to take that in our regular day-to-day schedule. So it also help us to regrow our hairs and strengthen the hair follicles from the root and slow down the early graying. So as you can see that it is a amla powder. Actually my mother, she has prepared that, so she has given me, and from last 1 year I have been taking this amla powder regularly, 1 spoon a day in the morning, empty stomach. And seriously, I'm telling you that there are a lot of changes that I can see in myself. Hair fall has reduced, the skin glows naturally. There are no dark spots on the skin and no pimple on the skin. It's white, natural, glowy skin. And many other problems like in periods, there are no cramps when period comes. And it helps me to overcome from many problems. So it is the best natural collagen, right? Because it is having a 20 times more than vitamin C than orange. So it is very good for us, and it protects our eye also. And I'm telling you that my eyes are really very weak. I uses lenses or sometimes spectacles, and from last 1 year I have been using this amla powder, and my eye numbers, they are not increasing. They got constant. Now they are not increasing. So it's the best evidence that I got that now my eyes are okay. At least they are not increasing. The number is not increasing. The hairs are not falling down. Suffer from the low iron levels. Vitamin C in amla dramatically improves the absorption of iron from your daily diet, because we are so busy. Somewhere we are going, we are working, we are working at home, we are working in office, we are having a lot of things, we have to manage lot of things, but somewhere we are forgetting that this is the thing which can improve many of us health issues, right? That this is the thing which can decrease our many issues and help us in overcoming the many health issues, many health problems. It is the powder. Just we need to take a 1 spoon of it, or it helps in reducing the weight also. And the many major changes I have been noticing in myself, that first of all, I have told you that my eyes numbers are not increasing, hair falls have stopped, and no pimples and wrinkles on the face. And now weight is also constant. My weight is not increasing, touch wood, it is not increasing. It has been remained constant from last 1 to 2 years, because I have been taking this. I have been taking one more thing that I'll tell you in next video, that what is that another ingredient. It is the separate ingredient which I am taking, but this is the first thing. Empty stomach I am taking with 1 glass of water, and it is a magic. Once you start taking this, you will start feeling the magical changes in your body. Within just 1 week you will start facing the many magical changes in your body, and you will see, and you will tell me that really it has worked. So it increases our immunity also. Nowadays many of us fall sick, like fever हो गया, और बीमार हो गए, खांसी हो गई. So if we start taking this ना, so we will not fall sick easily. At least our body will have the power to fight against the diseases. Chole, white chole, chickpeas, or you can increase, you can add this much amount of amla in that chole, and the taste or the flavor of that chole and the color of that chole will become so good. Or you will like to have that plate of chole, and you will start adding this in your food also. So I hope you will like this information. I know you all know very well that this is very good for us. It is, having a magical power in our body. When it goes in our body, it changes many of our diseases, reduces many of our diseases, or it is very good. It is very good for human health. I know you all know, but if we start taking, or if we make a habit of take this, we'll really feel very light, very good, very positive. And with this, I would like to end this video. And again and again, I want to say thanks to all of you for supporting me, and watching my videos. And thanks to all, and see you tomorrow with some more things. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.